about different things that we use to keep ourselves clean, like soap, toothbrush, toothpaste. Then we have comb to brush our hair. Then we use soap when while taking shower. So these were few different things. Obviously we use nail cutter to trim our nails. So you all are following that habits and you are keeping yourself clean and hygienic. Very good. So now today I am going to tell you about good habits. Clear? So keeping clean is one of the good habit. अपने आप को clean रखना, hygienic रखना is one of the good habit. But there are a lot of other things, how you should behave with others, how you should behave when you are outside your home, what you should do at home. So there are few what you can say activities that you should follow that can make you a good child, and there are few things that you should not do. So today we are going to learn about some such habits. Clear? So today the day is Friday. As you all know, I have told you in previous class, and the date is 25th September. So the first thing what I want to tell you is the meaning of good habits. So what is the meaning of good? See, जब आप अच्छा काम करते हैं, ma'am says very good. जब आप अच्छा work लिखते हैं, ma'am gives you good stars, smileys, isn't it? So what is the meaning of good? Good means बहुत अच्छा. Good means अच्छा, बहुत अच्छा. Clear? And the next word is habits. Habits क्या होती है? हमारी आदतें. Something that we are doing regularly. That is called habits. Clear? Understood our today's topic? Good habits. That means अच्छी आदतें या something that we follow every day and is liked by all. जो हमारे आसपास रहते हैं उन्हें सबको चीजें अच्छी लगती है. So that is referred as good habits. जैसे like I have some posters here. So one by one we'll study all of them and we'll see whether it is good or not. Clear? Now moving towards the first picture. First we have is listen to the teacher. So now if I am teaching you, ma'am आपको पढ़ा रही हैं, you all are sitting in the class, nowadays you are sitting at home. If you are not listening, अगर आप ma'am को listen नहीं कर रहे हैं, आप ma'am की बात नहीं सुन रहे हैं, will you be able to understand? आप समझ पाएंगे what I want to teach you? No. So listening to a teacher is important because teacher is telling you important things like how you should behave. See, every class I am teaching you something. जब तक आप उसको सुनेंगे नहीं, how will you follow that? How will you learn that? और जब तक आप वो सब सीखेंगे नहीं, you will not be able to become a good child. And I know you all want to be a good child. You all are a good child. But what we are doing, we are just polishing you. हम आपकी habits, you are a good child, but we are teaching you how to behave with others. Isn't it? वो आपको और अच्छा बनाएंगी. So listening to a teacher is good or bad? It's good habit. So what we are going to do? I am going to put a tick under this, like this, because listening to a teacher is good. Now next we have is be kind to people and animals. So I'll tell you the meaning. Be kind to people and animals. So what is the meaning of kind? Kind मतलब हमें सबके साथ अच्छे से behave करना है, उनसे लड़ाई नहीं करनी है. Sometimes you must have seen that जो dirty boys होते हैं, what they do? They pick the stone and they throw either on dogs or on cows. जो भी animals बाहर streets में घूम रहे होते हैं, उनके ऊपर वो मारते हैं. Now tell me one thing. If someone will hit you, you will get hurt. आपको दर्द होगा, pain होगा. Isn't it true? चोट लग जाएगी. तो क्या ये उन एनिमल्स को नहीं हो रहा होगा? आप तो क्राई कर सकते हो, शाउट कर सकते हो, बट एनिमल्स कैन नॉट. बट यू शुड अंडरस्टैंड कि वो एनिमल्स को भी पेन हो रहा है. Clear? Many times we can see that when it is festival days like Holi, people they put color on cows and animals. That is bad. देखिए हमारे ऊपर कलर लगता है, we take a shower, isn't it? But animals तो शावर भी नहीं लेते. अब उनके ऊपर जो कलर लग गया है वो उनकी स्किन को खराब कर देता है. So we should not tease animals. We should be always kind with them. हमें उनके साथ हमेशा अच्छे से behave करना है. Sometimes I will also prefer that try to feed. अगर आपके street में कोई animal रहता है, go and give them food at once in a day. You can put some water in the pot. किसी pot में water भर के you can put it outside for them to drink. It is very hot. हमें गर्मी लगती है ना? Animals तो बाहर घूम रहे होते हैं. They don't have fan also. So you should give them water to drink. This is how we can be kind to them. उनके साथ अच्छे से behave करना. Okay? So this is also a good habit. Be kind to people and animals. People means अपने friends के साथ, अपने brother sisters के साथ भी अच्छे से behave करना है. Always fighting is not good, ना? Okay. So next we move is it is nice to say please and thank you. Now. What is please and what is thank you? And one more word I would like to add here is sorry. So these are the three magical words. One word I would like to add is sorry. So these are three magical words, that is please, thank you and sorry. I'll tell you the meaning. Please. See, when you want something, you request. अब आपको कोई टॉय चाहिए, कोई गेम चाहिए, आप बोलते हो ना मम्मा प्लीज ला दो. सो प्लीज इज यू आर रिक्वेस्टिंग समथिंग. मम्मा मुझे ला के दो. दिस इज वेरी बैड. नो, यू कैन नॉट डू इट लाइक दिस. ऑर्डर देना इज वेरी बैड. यू कैन नॉट डू इट. यू शुड ऑलवेज बी रिक्वेस्टिंग. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट वी हैव इज थैंक यू. अब जब मम्मा ने आपको वो टॉय या वो गेम ला के दे दिया, सो व्हाट यू शुड से? थैंक यू. If someone is giving you something, अगर आप किसी से पेंसिल ले रहे हैं, please give me pencil, and the person has given you, always say thank you. आपको अगर कोई भी कुछ भी देता है, please say thank you. Thank you is you are really thankful. आप उनको thank you बोलते हैं, तो the other person also feels respected. Clear? Next is sorry. So देखो गलती सबसे होती है. We all make mistakes. Sometimes you are playing at home और मम्मा का कोई क्रॉकरी पीस गिर जाता है और वो टूट जाता है. Obviously मम्मा को गुस्सा आएगा. अब one thing is ठीक है टूट गया, it's okay. But what you can do? You can just say sorry मम्मा. Sorry is mistake. देखो sorry का meaning होता है that the mistake was done, but you will not do it again. लेकिन अगर आप हर बार मिस्टेक कर रहे हैं and you are saying sorry every time, that is not good. That means आपने तो उसका you don't know the meaning of sorry. Sorry means if you have done something wrong by mistake, you are committing कि you will not do it again. आपसे कोई गलती से कुछ हो गया है, it's okay, वो first time हुआ है, but sorry बोल के आप ये promise कर रहे हो, you will not do that again. This is the real meaning of sorry. Is that clear? So please, thank you and sorry are also called three magical words. They have magic in them. अगर आप मम्मा को sorry बोलोगे, she will not scold you. If you will ask something saying please, everyone will help you. और help मिलने के बाद thank you तो बोलना जरूरी होता ही है. Okay? So this is also a good habit. Now share with your neighbor. Sharing, caring, ये तो मैम ने आपको पहले भी बताया. It is a very good habit. Share मतलब अपनी चीज किसी के साथ बांटना, उसको share करना. For example, if someone is not having pencil or eraser, I can give you this example because you are able to understand. If someone is not having pencil and eraser and you are having extra with you, आप उसे share कर सकते हो, है ना? आप अपने फ्रेंड को दे सकते हो. If one of your friend has forgot to bring food or fruit in school, share your food with them. Clear? So sharing is जब आप अपनी, देखो कभी आपके साथ भी हो सकता है, sometimes you might have forgot something, आप भी भूल जा सकते हो. तो जब अगर आपने अपने फ्रेंड की कभी हेल्प की होगी, definitely your friend will help you. Is that clear? So sharing is when you are just distributing your things with others or you are बांटना. Basically what I will say कि आपके पास जो चीज़ है वो आप किसी और के साथ मिलके together you are using something. Clear? That is called sharing. So sharing is also a good habit. Okay. Now moving to the next. Coming towards this, raise your hand if you wish to speak. Now, when you are sitting in a classroom and you want to ask me something, अब जैसे मैम आपको पढ़ा रही है and immediately आप मैम से कुछ पूछना चाहते हो, so मैम मेरे को ये चाहिए, so this is not the way. First raise your hand. आप अपना hand raise करोगे तो मैम को पता लग जाएगा you want to speak something. Then I will say, okay, please stand up and speak. तो क्लास में सब एक साथ बोलेंगे, मैम विल नॉट एबल टू लिसन. अब देखिए मैम इज स्पीकिंग समथिंग, आप सुन रहे हो, अगर यहाँ पे और दो मैम आ जाएंगी, वो दोनों भी साथ में बोल रही हैं, आप नहीं समझ पाओगे कि कौन सी मैम क्या बोल रही है, isn't it? You will not able to understand. Everything will go mix. सब मिक्सअप हो जाएगा, ब्लेंड हो जाएगा, जैसे हम साउंड्स ब्लेंड करते हैं ना, सब ब्लेंड हो जाएगा and you will not able to understand anything. But now if I am alone speaking, मैम अकेले बोल रहे हैं, तो you are able to understand. Similarly, मैम के पास भी आपकी तरह 2 ears है. So whenever you want to say something in class, always raise your hand and then teacher will say you please stand up and speak. Clear? So never forget that if you want to speak something, you want to share something in class, आप अपनी कोई बात पूरी क्लास के साथ शेयर करना चाहते हो, always raise your hand and then you have to speak. Okay class? So again, raise your hand and speak is a good habit. So a lot of good habits we have done. Now next we have is listen when others are speaking. Now very important thing, अब मैम बोल रही है क्लास में, see ये दोनों चीजें आपस में लिंक्ड हैं. When ma'am is speaking in the class और आप एकदम से बोल दोगे तो मैम तो वहीं पे अटक जाते हैं ना, मैम वहीं पे स्ट्रक कर जाएंगे. तो जब मैम इज स्पीकिंग समथिंग, मैम इज टेलिंग यू समथिंग, लिसन टू दैट. आप ध्यान से सुनोगे तभी तो इंस्ट्रक्शंस फॉलो कर पाओगे, देन ओनली यू विल बी एबल टू डू योर वर्क इन टाइम, इजंट इट? हाँ, अगर आपको कुछ बीच में पूछना है, रेज योर हैंड. बट बिना हैंड रेज किए मैम बोल रही हो और आप एकदम से बीच में बोलते हो, दैट इज वेरी बैड हैबिट. Similarly at home also, if mama and papa they are talking with each other, और आप जाते हो mama mama papa papa mama papa, just understand they both are talking with each other ना. Give them some time. अगर आपको उनसे बात करनी है, mama I want to say something, उसके बाद बोलो. अच्छा मम्मा आपको कह रही है have your food, बेटा सुन लो खा लो, but you don't listen. No, you should always listen to everyone at home. जितने भी elders हैं you should listen to them. Okay, so listen to others is a good habit. Now moving is we should always take turns. Yes, a very important thing. See, you are going to the parks, you are coming in school and you are playing in the school ground. So there are a lot of swings in the school. अब आपको आपका फ्रेंड कोई स्विंग पे झूल रहा है और आपको भी झूलना है. What is the good way? I'm talking about good habits, तो आप मुझे बताइए what is the correct way of taking the swing? उसको धक्का देंगे, नीचे गिरा देंगे आप, you will push और वो नीचे गिर जाएगा. Is that a good habit? Or you will wait for your turn. हम turn wise खेलेंगे, okay? 5 minutes आप खेलो, then 5 minutes I will take my turn, then 5 minutes after my turn I will give to my other friend. Is this a good habit? और just push कर दिया and you have taken that swing. अरे yes, उसको तो मैंने पुश करके नीचे गिरा दिया और अब स्विंग भी रहा है. Is that a good habit? No, that is not. Always take your turn. देखिए बेटा, swings सबके लिए है. It is for everyone ना. It is not your personal swing. It is if it is your personal swing also, आपके घर पे भी है, and your friends are coming, you should share with them. I told you ना, share with your neighbors. है ना? Neighbors कौन है? जो हमारे साथ खेल रहे हैं, हमारे साथ रहते हैं. So if sharing is good habit, similarly taking your turn. Taking your turn का मतलब क्या है? आपके पास जो झूला है, जो swing है, you are sharing that with your friend. You are playing turn by turn. अब क्लास में भी जब मैम आपको गेम खिलाते हैं, पास द बॉल या डिफरेंट गेम्स होते हैं, मैम सबको 1-1 बार टर्न देते हैं ना. So this is called just take your turn or wait for your turn. Clear? So now when we should always take turn is a good habit. Now next we have is walk in the सी क्लासरूम में बहुत सारे बच्चे होते हैं. Classroom is having your bags, your bottles, so lot of things are kept. Similarly at home, you are having sofa sets, you are having different cabinets, tables, and lot of things at home. अब अगर वहाँ पे if everyone is eating and sitting and having their food and you are running around, आपने नहीं देखा किसी को चोट लग गई, आप किसी के ऊपर गिर गए, कुछ खिंड गया, so is that good? Not only in classroom, even at home, you should walk. Play करना है, run करना है, you can go outside in the playground, in the park, go and play there. But when you are at home, sit and play. So you know there are two types of games, indoor games and outdoor games. Indoor games होते हैं जो घर के अंदर खेलते हैं when we sit at a place, like ludos, like carrom boards, snakes and ladder. Clear? So these are games that we play inside. The outside one are running है, आपको क्रिकेट खेलना है, you want to play with the ball, you want to play with racket, whatever. These are to be played outside the house. Clear? जिसमें आपको भागना पड़ता है, you have to move here and there. वो बाहर ग्राउंड में खेलिए. But when you are inside your class, you are inside your home, play indoor games जिसमें आपको भागना नहीं पड़ेगा और आप किसी से क्लैश नहीं करोगे, किसी से टक्कर नहीं खाओगे, no one will get hurt. Clear? So walk in the classroom is again a good habit. Next we have is no yelling. है ना? चिल्लाना. मैम, मम्मा, पानी लाके दो. मम्मा, मुझे खाना चाहिए. Is this the way to talk? No. You are yelling. आप जोर-जोर से चिल्ला रहे हो. This is not good. You should always be soft spoken. बहुत softly बोलो. मम्मा, please. I told you 3 magical words. Mama, please give me water. Thank you, Mama, you have given me water. है ना? So please, thank you. You have to use this word. और जब आप इन words को कभी भी shout करके कोई use कर ही नहीं पाता. Please, ऐसे तो कोई बोलता ही नहीं. Mama, please. So these are the. That's why we are saying it. That's why we say that magical words. ये अपने आप ही when you are using these words ना, अपने आप ही आपकी tone soft हो जाती है and you don't yell. So no yelling. No shouting. Good habit? या shouting is good habit? No yelling. यहाँ पे no लिखा है ना, तो यानी नहीं चिल्लाना. It's correct. हमें चिल्लाना नहीं है. Next we have is put equipments away after use. So now you all have played. अब आप थक गए हो. Now you want to go for a seat. तो what do you have to do? Toys छोड़ दो. Mama will do that. मैं तो सो रही. I'm going for a seat. No. You were playing with those toys. They are your toys. You have to collect them. Collect them and keep them in a basket. If you are doing your coloring, just collect all your colors, put them together, pack all the things, books, notebook, coloring book, files, everything. Pack karo, keep them at one place and then you can go anywhere. So whatever activity you are doing, whatever you are enjoying, just complete the work. After that, collect all the things together, keep them at one place and then you can go. Now a very good example, जब आप स्कूल आते हो, you do your work for the whole day. जब आपका ऑफ टाइम होता है, जब आपका घर जाने का टाइम होता है, I always say collect your things, keep them in your bag, don't leave anything in the school, है ना? मैम आपको यही बोलती है ना, collect all your things and keep them in your bag. This is what you have to follow at home. Either you are playing or you are doing your work. After finishing everything, collect all the things, keep them at their place and then do your work. Clear? So keeping things at their places is also a good habit. So these are few good habits. Now few more that are given in the book. I am going to tell you, we are going to discuss in the book. And now I request you all to open your book on page number 9. So book page number 9. Clear? So all of you open the book and I'll tell you how you have to do this work. So class, now open your book on page number 9 as I have told you. Your EVS book on page number 9. There you will find the topic good habits. The topic is good habits. So first we are going to write today's date, that is 25th September 2020. This is our today's date and we are going to write CW here. This is your today's classwork. Clear? So what the question here says is, put a tick on the good habits and cross on a bad habits. So some pictures are given here. We'll read these pictures, we'll understand and we'll see whether these are good or bad habits. Okay, so the first one is, a girl is throwing garbage in the bin. कोई भी कूड़ा है, we are putting that in the dustbin. Is it a good habit? Yes, we should always put all the garbage in the bin. So we'll put a tick here. Next we have is two boys. What they are doing? They are fighting with each other. Oh my God. Is fighting with your friends, with your brother, sister good? No, it is not. Fighting तो बहुत bad habit होती है. So what we are going to do? We are going to put a cross like this over here. Okay? Now next we have is a girl. What she is doing? She is greeting her father, grandfather. मतलब जो भी हमारे घर में elders होते हैं. So whenever you wake up in the morning, you always wish good morning to everyone. नहीं तो we join our hands and we say namaste. कोई हमारे घर में guest आते हैं, we say the same with to them also, ना? So greeting your elders is a very good habit. You all should follow it. So what we are going to do, we'll put a tick here. Now see here, wow, two boys are playing with one ball. They both are sharing it. So I told you sharing is a good habit. Yes. So what we are going to do, we are going to put a tick here. Now to the next picture, see what this girl is doing. She is tearing the pages. Oh, what she is doing? She is tearing the pages from her notebook. No, this is very bad. आपकी बुक्स, आपकी नोटबुक्स, दे आर ओनली मेंट फॉर स्टडी. आप उनको टीयर कर रहे हैं, ख़राब कर रहे हैं. दैट इज़ वेरी बैड. किसी भी चीज़ को ख़राब करना इज़ नॉट अ गुड हैबिट ना. सो व्हाट शी इज़ डूइंग? शी इज़ अननेसेसरली टीयरिंग द पेजेस. So this is a bad habit. We'll put a cross here. Now next is, see a boy, what he is doing? He is trying to polish his own shoes. देखो वो अपना काम खुद करने की ट्राई कर रहा है ना. He is trying to polish the shoes. So yes, it's a good habit. You all should try doing your own things. अपना बैग सेट करना, अपने शूज़ पॉलिश करना, सुबह सारी एक्टिविटीज़ लाइक टेकिंग अ शावर, ब्रशिंग योर टीथ्स, हैविंग योर ब्रेकफास्ट, ये खुद करना. मम्मा खाना खिला रही हैं, इट्स अ बैड हैबिट. यू ऑल आर ग्रोन अप ना. सो इफ द चाइल्ड इज डूइंग द वर्क बाय हिमसेल्फ, इट्स अ गुड हैबिट एंड वी आर गोइंग टू पुट अ टिक हियर. ओके क्लास, अंडरस्टूड what are good habits and bad habits? So class, I hope you have understood our today's work, the concept of good habits, and please I request you all to promise me that you all will follow these habits and become the best. Okay? So that's all for today. Meet you soon with a new topic and something new for learning. Bye. Take care.